Imagine a gold rush lighting up the stars. Asteroids gleam with gold. Platinum, calling us, ready to join humanity's boldest adventure yet? These cosmic rocks aren't just stones, they hide precious metals. Water, epic dreams. How do we grab treasures from the vast, starry darkness? Today, we soar through space, making asteroid mining real. From chasing cosmic riches to digging gold beneath the twinkling stars. Asteroid 16, Cie Psyche, a massive gold mine, holds platinum, nickel worth trillions. One rock could reshape a planet's wealth. Can you believe it? Water locked in asteroid ice is pure magic. Split into oxygen for breath, hydrogen for fuel. A starry river powering ships to Mars and beyond. Earth's mines are fading. Nature's pleading. Out there, billions of asteroids shine, waiting a dazzling gift from the boundless universe to us. In 1998, NASA's probe crashed into an asteroid. That setback fueled grit. By 2023, private ships ignite a new space race. First step, hunt the perfect target. Millions of asteroids swirl, but hundreds near Earth brim with metals, worthy of our grand quest. Telescopes sweep the starry night, mapping glittering rocks. They pinpoint asteroids rich with ice, metals, guiding explorers to cosmic jackpots. Target set. Robotic ships blast off. A 2020 mission nabbed asteroid dust, a bold first step in our starry treasure hunt. Mining ships are tech wonders. Numbrization, YAG lasers carve rock. 3D radar probe deep, soaring 2 million miles. To gleaming asteroid shores, private firms aim for 2028's first dig. Sleek, solar-powered drones drill deep. Like heroes in a Star Wars epic chasing cosmic glory, mining in space feels like magic. No gravity. Robotic drills shatter rock. Neon dust dance like a starry storm, vacuumed into sleek chambers. For metals, furnaces blaze red hot. 1200 degrees, platinum. Gold melt, drifting like starry gems. Primed for a bold new journey. Type C asteroid ice holds treasure. Zola furnaces melt it, yielding water. Like finding a river in the vast cosmic wilderness. Water splits through electrolysis, fueled by massive energy. Oxygen for astronauts. Fuel for rocket sits, the heartbeat of cosmic exploration. With treasure in hand, where does it go? Shipping metals to Earth burns cash. Like tossing gold into flames, smarter plans await. Orbital factories bloom in low orbit. Asteroid metals craft ship frames. Panels built in space. Efficient. A sci-fi dream come true. Water, fuel fill, orbital depots, ships bound for Mars. Júpiter refuel, tapping asteroid riches. Like cosmic pit stops among the stars. Dream bigger. Stations, factories, colonies glow. Fueled by asteroids. A vibrant space economy rise. Bold, brimming with endless possibilities. A 2023 NASA mission probes 16 Psyche's metal core. Its data lights the way for miners, unlocking secrets of cosmic wealth. Challenges l'umblage, radiation storms, icy -100-degree chills. Asteroids spin wildly, landings like riding a starry merry-go-round. Robots think fast, tweaking drills as rocks wobble. AI nailing precision. One misstep, and treasure slips into the void forever. In 2024, refineries evolve, a game-changer, extracting platinum with less power. Results? A giant leap for our space mining dreams. Someday, humans will mine asteroids. Space miners, in radiation-proof suits, dig gold among stars' modern nights of a cosmic saga. Asteroid metals transform Earth. Platinum powers clean energy. Water nurtures Mars colonies. We're rewriting tomorrow, one starry rock at a time. By 2050, Orbital cities dazzle, spaceships roam the solar system. Fueled by asteroids, a new era humanity dances with the stars. Gold? Water? Or stations? What's your cosmic pick? What fires up your soul? Share below. Dream of our radiant, starry future. Asteroid mining's the ultimate gold rush. Each rock's a step, lifting humanity to the stars, chasing dreams that never fade. Join the cosmic quest. Subscribe. Share your starry dreams. Dive into a journey where the cosmos calls. Are you in?